Hello, dear traders. Today is the 21st of October 2022. It's 12:49 local time. And I would like to announce that the MK version 8 has been implemented. So, on all the charts, you can now see the latest version automatically. You don't need to do anything. It comes at no additional cost. I just would like to walk you through the very slight visual changes that were implemented. As you know, over the years we have basically changed nothing, and all we have done is some very slight visual changes so you can see some things better, and I will explain them now. So first and foremost, you can see that between the dump money positions on the y-axis and the stops on the left side of the y-axis, we have a little gap. So, that helps you to visually see where the stops are on the left. Okay, remember, yellow and orange lines are the medium-term stops. These are the short-term stops. The pink lines, like here, are the long-term stops, okay? So on the right side, you see the longy positions above the price and the shorty positions below the price. They also have been a little bit thicker visually, okay? So that helps you to better see where the dump money positions and stops are, the medium-term stops, short-term stops, long-term stops. Also, as you can see, I changed very slightly the colors of the medians. Okay, these are part of the meter levels of the course, so they are now visually more appealing and not so much in your face. I did that. I also basically did the same thing on the other charts, 30 minutes, 4-hour, day charts. The same on the live stream as well. It's all aligned now. Okay. So yeah, let's talk about everything you see. Just as a little reminder, so most people watching this probably know that. But okay, so we see, what do we see here? The first histogram shows you the current longies and shorties, okay, the dump money positions, at which point in time they came into the market. The upper histogram shows you who is currently still in the market. The one below also shows you historically which of the trader groups were in the market. That enables you to see which of the trader groups already left the market but have been in the market, yes? So that's very important. Remember, you see on the right side the scaling, and the scaling adjusts. So we see on the upper histogram now the highest are 25 on the scale. And historically, there were 80 on the scale, okay? So that's the reason why you can see, look, these shorties here, they left the market, were kicked out with the up move, you see? The up move kicked them out. And that's why overall, we had more dump money in the market before as currently. But you also see that currently we have those longies in the market and still some shorties there from the 17th of October, for example. Yes? Now the two histograms below show you the same thing, just with a different feed. So that's a bit like a double check also for us. Remember, the GMT, okay, on the right side shows you that there's no delay. If there's a few seconds of delay in the data, that green GMT okay will turn into a red number showing you the delay in seconds. Yeah, so we have different layers of protections which warn you if there's any data delay or any technical problem. Okay, so the two histograms below, the positions volume history, that's also that shows you the over leveraged dump money positions. Again, the first one shows you current, and the second one current plus historical. So including the positions which already have been kicked out of the market. Okay, the next histogram, and that's again a meter level. If you want to understand that in more detail, I suggest you buy the course. It's super cheap on the website. It's less than 50 pounds, I think. There, the meter levels I explained. This shows you when the market, when one side of the dump money is too much into profit, and then the market is turned by the smart money to balance that out. The lower one is the net dump money indicator, very important. It shows you when there's a dump money squeeze going on, when one side dominates overall, and there can also be a large trend against those traders over time. So that's a little quick summary. You see a bit more information also on the other charts, but in a nutshell, that's how the 1 hour chart is displayed. And yeah, so what we do is we do not just enter trades into the market randomly, because remember, we are not the smart money as such. We are still price takers. We cannot influence the price in any way. And also, we are not on the same step as the smart money. But instead of the dumb money being 10 steps behind, we may only be 2, 3, 4 steps behind, as you know. So that's leading information. And what we do is we wait until the market structure gives you a very clear picture where the price will go next. Yeah. For example, now look, it's a rangy price action. We have some medium-term stops above the price as we speak. They are taking this upper stop there. It will soon disappear. But the price is a bit trapped between longies and shorties, which you see very clearly on the y-axis here. Okay, so that's why the price also doesn't have much momentum. But for example, let's say we had red bars down here instead of green bars. That would be a buy scenario, and we may buy against the shorties up towards the upper empty stops, for example. Yeah, all these setups have been demonstrated and defined, as you know. And, you know, these are certain setups. Or, you know, another setup is the price goes up, takes out all those 4 empty stops, and then you short down into the range. So that's like a post-stop hunt trade, yeah? We have shown that many times, as you know. So that's basically a very quick summary, and I hope you like those new visual changes. I think it's helpful because it gives you a little bit more clarity on the charts, and allows you to see things slightly clearer in terms of visual presentation. I think that's really cool, actually. So enjoy, happy trading. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, trade well, collect pips. Take care.